Hi guys, welcome to the Dred Effects Custom Paint Beginners Classes. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to part 2 on the Dred Effects Custom Paint Beginners class. In today's video guys, I'm going to run through some of the other pieces that you are going to need to purchase to get set up so you can start your journey into the airbrushing. The first thing I want to run through with you is you've picked your brush up and fingers crossed you've picked up the PS2 70 by Acrylics. I want to run through some other products that you need to get which will help you along your way. So we're going to move on to cleaning your airbrush. So I'll run through some of these pieces with you on what to get. These pieces are nice and cheap. So the first things I would pick up when you come to cleaning is some cleaning fluid. You can buy your airbrush cleaners and things like that online. eBay, Amazon are fine for getting them sort of pieces from. If you are using water-based acrylics, go for water-based cleaners and things like that. You can use solvent cleaners like thinners. If you bought the PS270, I've used 2K thinners in that, just a drop, just in the cup, clean it out, blast it through, and then clean it straight through with water after, and dry all the cup out and you're good to go. The actual products I would use for cleaning are cotton buds. Really handy, nice and cheap for a box of cotton buds. You can get the cotton wool pads. These are great for cleaning your needle. Pull the needle out and you put the pinch the cotton pad and just pull your needle through with a bit of thinners on, so that cleans that. You can buy plastic throwaway cups. You see these when you get like your parties, your barbecues and things like that. Cheap. You get 20 pint ones and you get the little half pint ones. They're nice and cheap, get them. Kitchen towel, rolls of that, nice and cheap. So they're your cleaning products. So that part of the budget is dead easy to get hold of, it's nice and cheap, and then you're going to start thinking about compressors. And when it comes to compressors, I've done a review on this one, which I'm going to recommend today guys. It's the IWATA Studio Series compressor. It's a portable small compressor. So this is the box that you would get it in. It's that one there. These are, at the minute price point on these are about 305. I know it's a lot of money and you can buy cheap ones. I've not had a lot of experience on airbrush compressors. I've not long picked this one up. Had it for a couple of months and it performs great. It really does. They are a quiet compressor, nice and portable, and you have got a good brand behind you on that guys. So it's built and made by IWATA. So I would recommend this compressor. I'll leave a link in the description so you can see the full details about this compressor. What it can do, it can tell you all the configurations and everything about that in the link below. So that's the compressor. Then you're going to get air lines and things like that. If you opt for that compressor, you'll get an air line with it. You'll get an airbrush holder that comes with it and things like that. But that'll be in the full description on the link below. So you're now set up. You've got your compressor, you've got your cleaning things to clean your airbrush, your airline, you're all good to go. Hopefully you brought the PS270. So then parts are all sorted and you're now moving on to paint. And you do what everybody does. Like I said in the first class, you click on Amazon, you click on eBay and you get pages and pages of paint. The paint that I'm going to push towards you guys that I would highly recommend and I've used from day dot is the golden acrylics. It's the HIGHFLOW acrylics. I've been using this since I started airbrushing. I've been airbrushing quite a while now and I've had no trouble with this paint whatsoever. It's nice and easy. You just thin it down with water or distilled water, your preference. you can buy this individually. I'll put the links in the description on 2 places where you can buy a pack of this, so you can get your full opaque kit and you can buy a full transparent kit, or in the other link you can buy the bigger bottles individually. Both places you can buy individually, but one place, as you'll see in the link, you can get the bigger bottles from that company, which is handy. So they will come in that size bottle, which is the 118ml, and you get the 30ml bottles as well. So that's the paint I'd recommend, guys. It's nice and easy for the beginner. It cleans easy. It works. I've had things in the past that I've painted and clear coated, and I've seen them years down the line, and the colours hold up. They just look great and they work well. So that's why I'm pushing you towards golden high flow acrylics. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it's been a little short one again. This is the part 2 class, and it's just getting your head around the bits that you need and the things that you have to purchase to start in this airbrush career, say, that you're going to go down. The next class, which is part 3, will be hooking the griot up to the airline, and then we're going to start moving on, and I'll show you how and what to do when you first pick your airbrush up and got your paint in it. We'll move on to trying the airbrush out and things like that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, guys, click that subscribe, press that notification so you don't miss out on any more upcoming videos on Dred Effects Custom Paint, and I will see you in class 3. Don't be late.